A2 verse 2001 Pontiac Aztec. I looked at it before. That was a bad ignition module. It wouldn't start. They changed the ignition module and the vehicle started. It was about 2 weeks ago. Now they brought it back. It's not starting again. No spark. No codes. The signal is not coming from the ignition module to the computer. The computer is over there inside. So I got my wires on the 2 wires that go to the sensor. These 2 wires right here, purple and yellow. I got yellow, green and purple. One of them is supposed to low reference, yellow, and purple is supposed to be signal. Okay, and that's where I am. I got 2. So I'm gonna check one first. Which one is the ground? I'm checking for the ground with the test light. This is not ground. Green is grounded. Green is, maybe I switched them, not sure, but one is grounded, one is not. Okay, maybe they switched it. That's it. I got yellow, not grounded, but I got purple grounded. It's interesting, but it probably doesn't matter. What I have is this. I have no signal coming from there. All right, yellow to yellow. I got 2 channel scope on it, on those 2 wires. Green is ground. We already know green is ground. The 2 wires sit right there. In the back, there's a 2 wire plug for the crank sensor in the back of the engine on the block, and that's what we're checking right now. So I'm going to jump the starter, and we're going to see if there's any sort of a signal going on from the sensor to the module. Right now, from the sensor to the ignition module. Okay, go. No. All right, no signal from the crank sensor. It's not grounded. The line is not grounded. Only one of them is low reference. That makes me think that's a bad sensor. Last time I fixed that same wire was touching something, but now it's not producing the signal. What I could do, I could simulate the signal. Okay, and I would probably see reaction from the computer, because look at this. If I go here, if I go to this purple and white wire, I get the reaction from the engine computer. Yep, it really goes on. Click, click. Okay, so this wire takes the signal from the ignition module, to the ECM. But if it's not getting signal in the back, it's not going to pass anything, right? So I suspect that sensor is bad in the back of the engine, and that's why we're not getting anything, and no reason on the signal line from the sensor, and consequently on this purple line, because once the sensor starts signaling, the purple line will take that signal, interpret it to the ECM. So I want to do just that. I'm going to try to put a signal on the yellow wire. I'm going to put a signal on the yellow wire. And we're going to watch, or at least we're going to hear some reaction, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm putting a signal, simulated signal to the module. Nothing happened. No reaction, okay? No reaction. That's not what I expected. What I expected was a signal. Okay, I'm gonna go straight down now, right over there, and try to hit that. No. Okay. So I'm gonna tell him change the sensor. That what I've done is enough to blame the sensor for not producing a signal. One more time. 2 wires, both of them sit nicely in the back over there. In the back over there, 2 wires not touching each other. On the one grounded, which is low reference, and the yellow is not producing any signal when I crank. So that should be enough. Alright, it was a little attempt for, and I saw the engine trying to do something. Alright, bad crank sensor in the back of the engine. Tell your friend and please subscribe. Help me help you. Remember, help me help you. Thank you.